Hi, I am Abdurrahman Jahangir Mirza, and today I'm going to present you my project, which is called Automated Machine Vision System for Examination Hall Entrance and Attendance System with IoT. I'm representing Asia Pacific University School of Engineering. Now, I would like to focus on the problem statement and the issues related to the exam hall entrance as well as the examination hall invigilation process overall. Exam hall invigilators, they use their time, their effort, as well as their energy in order to take the attendance, which is done basically manually. And in order to take the attendance, they use paper and pen and manually checking, verifying student with their face and their student ID. This process is done to make sure that the student who is sitting in the exam is eligible, as well as not trying to cheat or and bring somebody else from outside to write exam for them. So therefore, it can be identified that there are issues such as time wasted by the exam hall invigilators in order to get the attendance, as well as the cost which used by administration to buy papers, human workload, the effort done by the exam hall invigilators, as well as waste management uh, using the papers. The system is turning out to be not eco-friendly, and the whole system overall can be easily automated. In the 21st century, in the era of technological evolvement, it is compulsory and necessary for engineers to make sure that the systems we create are always sustainable, meaning they are for the benefit of the humans as well as our environment, as well as the productivity of the things that we create are for positive impact on the society. Therefore, we have proposed automated machine vision system for examination hall entrance and attendance system with IoT to increase the sustainability as well as to increase the productivity of taking attendance. The system utilizes mini computer Raspberry Pi connected to camera as well as the RFID reader to retrieve the data such as facial image and RFID key of the students to get the data, to compare it with the data which is stored, which is already pre-trained model of the faces. And if the student is verified, students are able to enter the exam hall. So the exam hall invigilators don't have to take their papers and pen, go to the student and get their attendance. Everything will be stored in the database, and it can be retrieved as a document file in a soft copy. So the system which is proposed actually has benefits such as automated synchronization. It can be used both for entrance systems and other smart attendance and other applications, meaning that it's not only for exam hall entrance, but it can be used for any attendance systems. Simple example, you own a company and you have employees working for you, and you'd like to have their attendance record without instead of using their other biometric features in order to avoid any physical touch such as fingerprint. You can use facial recognition, and it can be utilized for any other applications. And also, most important thing is that the libraries that are used are open source, which makes them free for usage, and they are always up to date whenever there is update, and uh, it can be pushed down to the Raspberry in order to automatically update it, because whenever there is an update, meaning there is something new and there are new techniques that can be used for any other methods for facial features maybe. And also the last point is to make sure that our sustainability is on point. Instead of using papers, we'll be using soft copies of attendance records, which will reduce the usage of the papers and will improve our sustainability.